Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of rustic wooden furniture and items project design ideas to inspire woodworkers or beginner craftsmen. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Rustic wooden furniture and items embody a charm that appeals to many, offering a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal that resonates with both urban and rural settings. For woodworkers and beginner craftsmen, diving into rustic design can be a rewarding venture that not only enhances living spaces, but also allows for the exploration of creativity and craftsmanship. One of the most compelling project ideas is the creation of a rustic farmhouse dining table. This piece can serve as the heart of the home, a gathering place for family and friends. By using reclaimed wood or weathered timber, artisans can create tables that showcase the natural beauty of the wood grain, complete with unique imperfections that tell a story of their past. Incorporating a sturdy, trestle base can provide stability while adding to the rustic aesthetic. The process of selecting the right wood, sanding it down to reveal its character, and applying a natural finish to enhance its beauty can be immensely satisfying for artisans, making the dining table a centerpiece that invites shared meals and cherished memories. Another inspiring project idea is the crafting of rustic benches that can complement the dining table or serve as standalone pieces in entryways or patios. These benches can be designed with a simple, sturdy frame, allowing the natural wood to shine through. By adding a cushioned seat covered in durable fabric, artisans can create a comfortable yet stylish seating option that encourages relaxation and conversation. The beauty of rustic benches lies in their versatility. They can be used indoors or outdoors, making them ideal for various settings. Furthermore, incorporating storage space beneath the seat can enhance the functionality of the bench, providing a perfect spot to stow away shoes, blankets, or gardening tools. This combination of practicality and aesthetic appeal makes rustic benches a popular choice among consumers seeking unique home furnishings. The charm of rustic design extends beyond furniture to include smaller items that can add character to a home. Crafting rustic wooden shelves can provide an excellent opportunity for woodworkers to showcase their skills while contributing to home organization. These shelves can be designed in various configurations, such as floating shelves or corner units, allowing artisans to maximize space while adding visual interest to walls. Using reclaimed wood can enhance the rustic feel, and incorporating metal brackets or mounts can add an industrial touch that complements modern interiors. These shelves can serve as platforms for displaying books, plants, or decorative items, transforming any wall into a focal point. The process of designing and building these shelves can inspire woodworkers to experiment with different styles and finishes, ultimately resulting in unique pieces that reflect their personal craftsmanship. For those interested in creating decorative items, crafting rustic wooden signs can be a delightful project that allows for creative expression. These signs can feature inspirational quotes, family names, or humorous sayings, making them perfect for entryways, kitchens, or living rooms. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of crafting a rustic coffee table allows woodworkers to hone their skills in joinery and finishing, resulting in a piece that not only serves a purpose, but also reflects their craftsmanship. In the realm of home organization, crafting rustic storage boxes can provide a great way to combine functionality with rustic aesthetics. These boxes can be designed in various sizes, making them ideal for storing anything from toys and blankets to gardening supplies and tools. Utilizing reclaimed wood not only enhances the rustic feel, but also contributes to sustainability, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Adding decorative hardware, such as wrought iron handles or hinges, can further elevate the design, giving the storage box a vintage touch. The process of building these boxes can inspire woodworkers to explore different construction techniques, such as dovetailed joints or lap joints, resulting in sturdy, beautiful items that serve practical purposes. For those looking to create smaller, more intricate items, crafting rustic wooden coasters can be a delightful project. Coasters can be made from slices of hardwood, showcasing the natural grain patterns and knots that add character to each piece. Another inspiring project idea is the design and creation of rustic accent chairs. These chairs can be crafted using sturdy wood frames and can feature elements such as woven seats or backs made from natural fibers. By incorporating ergonomic design principles, artisans can create comfortable seating options that invite relaxation while maintaining a rustic aesthetic. The process of designing and constructing these chairs can challenge woodworkers to experiment with different joinery techniques and finishes, resulting in unique pieces that enhance living spaces. The appeal of rustic accent chairs lies in their ability to blend seamlessly with various interior styles, making them a desirable option for consumers seeking distinctive furnishings. As artisans explore the world of rustic wooden crafts, they can also consider the potential for creating themed collections that resonate with specific design trends. For example, a collection centered around nature-inspired elements could include items such as wooden wall art featuring tree silhouettes, rustic planters for indoor plants, and handcrafted birdhouses for outdoor spaces. This cohesive approach not only enhances the overall aesthetic, but also encourages customers to purchase multiple items from the collection, increasing overall sales. By effectively marketing these collections on social media platforms and local craft fairs, artisans can build a loyal customer base eager to invest in their unique, handcrafted products. Additionally, the rise of online marketplaces presents a prime opportunity for artisans to showcase their rustic wooden creations to a global audience. By setting up an online shop, woodworkers can reach consumers who appreciate handmade items, allowing them to expand their market beyond their local community. High-quality photography that captures the beauty and craftsmanship of each piece, combined with engaging descriptions that tell the story behind the creation, can attract potential buyers and encourage them to invest in unique items that enhance their homes. Moreover, offering customization options can significantly enhance the appeal of rustic wooden items. Consumers often appreciate the ability to select their preferred wood type, finish, or even the dimensions of a piece to better suit their space. By providing such options, artisans can create a more intimate connection with their customers, encouraging them to invest in pieces that feel uniquely theirs. This level of personalization can also help artisans stand out in a competitive market, appealing to consumers who are looking for distinctive, tailored solutions for their homes. Rustic wooden furniture and items provide a wealth of opportunities for woodworkers and beginner craftsmen to explore their creativity, develop their skills, and create beautiful, functional pieces that resonate with modern home aesthetics. From crafting farmhouse dining tables and rustic benches to designing decorative signs and accent chairs, the possibilities for creative expression are endless. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, innovative designs, and effective marketing strategies, artisans can tap into the growing demand for unique, handcrafted items that enrich living spaces and reflect personal style. As the appreciation for artisanal goods continues to rise, the potential for success in this field remains strong, offering woodworkers a fulfilling path that blends creativity, functionality, and profitability. Engaging in rustic woodworking projects not only allows artisans to showcase their skills, but also invites them to contribute to the beauty and warmth of homes, creating pieces that are cherished for years to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked rustic wooden furniture and items project design ideas to inspire woodworkers or beginner craftsmen. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then,